Welcome to CCN TV News, your premier source for local and international news. From the streets of Kingston to the capitals of the world, we are ready to cover you stories that shape our world. Stay tuned for breaking news. Jamaica, a paradise to many, but for thousands living in tough circumstances, paradise can feel far away. Yet hope is alive here, not just through big organizations or government projects, but through ordinary young men with cameras, big hearts, and an unshakable belief that every small act of kindness counts. Today we meet three of them. Three Jamaican YouTubers who have turned views into meals, likes into roofs, and subscribers into a lifeline for the poor. This is the story of Kino Life in Jamaica, Javanni JA, and Colaz Smith TV, the top three humanitarian YouTubers in Jamaica. Let's see how they're changing lives, one video at a time. Kino started like many, a curious young Jamaican with a phone camera, vlogging life, hidden waterfalls, and cultural treasures. But when he turned his lens towards people in need, his channel found its true purpose. Kino saw families living in collapsing shacks, single mothers who couldn't afford school books, elderly people with no one to help fix a broken step. Instead of walking away, Kino invited his subscribers to step in. Me can't save everybody, but me can save somebody, and that's worth it. One story that touched thousands is Cranberry and Family, a hard-working family living in a shack, barely holding together. Through Kino's vlogs, subscribers from Jamaica and abroad donated funds. In a few weeks, the old boards were replaced with fresh wood and zinc. The children got shoes. The pantry was filled. But it's not just about donations. Kino shows up. He lifts blocks, nails boards, sweeps yards, shares meals. He connects with the people, the giver and the receiver both. And he films it all, not for clout, but for trust. Transparency is his promise. God bless you, Kino. You make me know people still care, one woman said. Behind every view is a child with a shoes, an elder with food, a home, a little safer from rain. That's Kino Life in Jamaica. Proof that even one man with one phone can change the story for an entire community. Jahvonii, as thousands know him today, didn't start out feeding the hungry. Like many young Jamaican YouTubers, he began with the thing that gets click fast, and that's pranks. His earliest videos were jokes, light tricks on friends and strangers, harmless ways to get a laugh and catch attention online. And for a while it worked. The views came in, the subscribers ticked up. But as his camera caught real street life, the people behind the pranks, Jahvonii started noticing something that wouldn't leave his mind. He got an inspiration. And so one day, during what was meant to be another street prank, Jahvonii met Mr. Andrew, an elderly deported man who had nowhere to sleep, nowhere to eat, nowhere to turn. Instead of tricking him, Jahvonii ended up helping him. That single moment rewired his whole channel. From that day, the camera turned from tricks to truth, from chasing laughs to sharing meals. Jahvonii stopped worrying about how to get people to click and started asking how to get people to care. His vlogs now show what you won't see in glossy travel ads. Young men sleeping on cardboard downtown, older women begging by bus stops, hungry children following the scent of a hot meal. But Jahvonii doesn't just film them, he feeds them. And he uses every dollar his audience send to stretch a pot as far as it can go. He doesn't call himself a big charity or a boss. He calls himself a helper. Javanni's channel proves something simple but powerful. Kindness can go viral too. And sometimes the biggest prank is how easily we forget the hungry, until one young man reminds us. Then there's Colaz Smith TV, a name that to many has become a brand for hope. Colaz knew early that the more hands you have, the more you can do. So he didn't build his mission alone. He built a family. He links up other YouTubers, big and small, and also help them to start their own channels. Me telling you, me never see Colaz on TV yet, but me see him in a real life and him help me. Colaz shows every receipt, not to boast but to keep trust. He filmed the stories from start to finish, the struggle, the handover, the smiles. His impact reaches far, and he has donated to charities and encouraged other influencers to do the same. If you see somebody in need, don't wait. You might be the only help them get. His goal is bigger than views. It's legacy. A generation of Jamaicans learning that giving back is a duty, not an option. This is Colaz Smith TV. Big heart, big vision, bigger results. Kino Life in Jamaica, Jahvonii Vlogs, Colaz Smith TV showcase 3 young men with one powerful message. We are the change we've been waiting for. They don't wait for a big man or a foreign grant. They don't wait on the politicians. They pick up the nail, the pot, the camera. They give what they can, and they multiply it with community trust. Behind every donation is a belly fed. Behind every subscriber is a roof repaired. Behind every comment is hope that spreads wider than the sea breeze over Kingston Harbor. Now, it's your turn. If you watch, share. If you share, donate. If you can't donate, take inspiration and feed someone near you. One bread, $1, one plate. That's how we build Jamaica. Because when Kino lifts the hammer, Jahvonii stirs his pot, and Colaz calls his crew. We are reminded that this little island is rich in the only currency that really counts, and that's love. Thank you for watching. May this video remind you, it doesn't take millions to make a difference. It takes one human heart ready to give. This has been CCN World TV News. If this kind of video inspire you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and join the CCN World TV News family. See you in the next video.